This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. In today's world, reliable income doesn't always come from large factories, expensive machinery, or complex systems. Sometimes, it starts with something much simpler: a small piece of wood, a basic set of tools, and a clear idea of what people actually need and are willing to buy. Simple woodcraft projects have quietly become one of the most dependable ways for individuals to build steady income, especially when creativity meets practicality. Many people believe that woodworking income requires advanced skills or years of experience. In reality, some of the most successful woodcraft sellers focus on small, repeatable projects that are easy to produce, affordable to make, and consistently in demand. These projects don't rely on trends that disappear overnight. Instead, they solve everyday problems, enhance living spaces, or add warmth and personality to homes. In this narration, we'll explore how simple woodcraft ideas can become reliable income sources. Not quick luck, not overnight success, but dependable projects that can be made again and again, refined over time, and scaled at your own pace. Whether you are working from a small home workshop or just beginning with basic tools, these ideas are designed to grow with you. By the end of this video, you'll see that simplicity is not a limitation, it's a strength. Small projects can open big doors when they are designed thoughtfully, priced wisely, and created with care. Reliable income in woodcrafting begins with understanding one fundamental truth: people buy solutions, not complexity. The most successful simple woodcrafts are those that fit naturally into everyday life. They don't demand explanation. They don't overwhelm the buyer. They quietly serve a purpose, and that purpose keeps them selling. One of the strongest categories in simple woodcrafts is functional household items. These include things like wooden organizers, small shelves, key holders, phone stands, spice racks, and desk accessories. Each of these items solves a common problem: clutter, lack of space, or the need for organization. Because these needs never disappear, the demand remains steady throughout the year. What makes these projects especially powerful is their repeatability. Once you design a simple organizer or holder, you can produce it consistently with minimal variation. This allows you to control costs, reduce mistakes, and improve efficiency. Over time, small improvements in finishing, sanding, or packaging can significantly increase perceived value without increasing production difficulty. Another reliable area is home decor with practical value. Simple wooden trays, candle holders, wall-mounted hooks, and plant stands are excellent examples. These items combine beauty with usefulness, making them appealing as both personal purchases and gifts. People often buy them not because they need them urgently, but because they enhance the feeling of a space. This emotional connection makes them easier to sell and often allows for better pricing. Scrap wood projects also play a major role in building reliable income. Leftover pieces from larger builds can be transformed into small products with surprisingly high value. Coasters, small boxes, decorative blocks, and mini shelves are perfect examples. These projects reduce waste while increasing profit margins, which is critical for long-term sustainability. Consistency is what turns simple projects into reliable income. When customers know what to expect from your work, the quality, the finish, the style, they are more likely to return or recommend your products to others. This is where simplicity works in your favor. Simple designs are easier to standardize and improve. Pricing is another key factor. Simple woodcrafts allow for flexible pricing strategies. You can offer affordable entry-level items while also creating slightly upgraded versions with better finishes, unique wood grain, or personalized touches. This layered approach allows you to serve different types of buyers without changing your core process. Customization, even in small amounts, adds significant value. Adding a name, date, or short phrase to a simple item like a key holder or wooden sign can double its perceived worth. Importantly, customization does not require redesigning the entire product, it simply enhances what already exists. Time management is crucial when working with small projects. Reliable income comes from understanding how long each item takes to make and ensuring that your pricing reflects both material and labor. Simple projects shine here because they allow you to produce multiple items in a single session, maximizing productivity without exhaustion. Market feedback should guide refinement. When people repeatedly ask for a certain size, finish, or variation, that feedback becomes a roadmap for improvement. Simple wood crafts evolve through listening, not guessing. Over time, your best-selling items will naturally emerge, allowing you to focus your energy where it matters most. Packaging and presentation should not be overlooked. Even the simplest wooden item feels more valuable when it is cleanly presented. A well-sanded surface, smooth edge, and thoughtful wrapping communicate professionalism and care. Buyers associate these details with reliability, which directly impacts repeat sales. Selling platforms also influence reliability. Simple crafts perform well in local markets, online platforms, and direct orders. Their manageable size reduces shipping complications and damage risk. This logistical advantage makes them ideal for sellers who want predictable processes and fewer surprises. Scaling does not mean rushing. Reliable income grows gradually as systems improve. When your tools are organized, your measurements consistent, and your workflow smooth, production becomes less stressful and more enjoyable. This stability is what allows many wood crafters to continue for years without burnout. Simple projects also leave room for creativity. Once a reliable base is established, seasonal variations or limited editions can be introduced without disrupting core production. This balance keeps both the maker and the customer engaged. Ultimately, simple wood craft ideas succeed because they respect reality. They respect the maker's time, the buyer's budget, and the natural beauty of wood itself. Reliability is not built through complexity, but through thoughtful repetition and continuous improvement. Simple woodcraft ideas have become one of the most reliable ways for creative individuals to turn small projects into steady income, especially because they require limited tools, modest startup costs, and flexible working time. What makes small wood projects powerful is not their size, but their usefulness and emotional appeal. Customers are often drawn to items that solve everyday problems, add warmth to their homes, or feel personal and handmade. A simple wooden product, when designed thoughtfully, can outperform complex furniture in sales because it is affordable, easy to ship, and appealing to a wider audience. One of the strongest advantages of small woodcraft projects is that they fit perfectly into daily life. Items such as wooden phone stands, key holders, desk organizers, candle holders, and small shelves are always in demand because people constantly look for ways to organize their space. These products do not require expensive wood or advanced machinery, yet they can be made attractive through clean finishing, smooth edges, and smart proportions. Buyers often pay not just for the material, but for the convenience and beauty the product adds to their routine. This makes simple designs surprisingly profitable when produced consistently. Another important factor that turns small wood projects into reliable income is repetition. Unlike large custom furniture, small crafts can be made in batches. Once a design is perfected, the maker can repeat the same process many times, improving speed and reducing material waste. This efficiency increases profit margins over time. A simple wooden tray or wall-mounted rack may take effort at first, but after practice, it becomes faster to produce while maintaining quality. Consistency also helps build a recognizable style, which is important for attracting repeat customers. Small wood crafts also succeed because they are highly giftable. Many people buy wooden items as gifts for birthdays, housewarmings, holidays, or special occasions. Personalized items, such as engraved names, short messages, or custom sizes, increase value without significantly increasing production cost. Even simple personalization can turn an ordinary wooden object into something meaningful. This emotional connection allows makers to charge higher prices and stand out in competitive markets. The beauty of simple wood crafts lies in their flexibility. A single idea can be adapted into many variations. For example, a basic wooden box can become a jewelry holder, a tea storage box, a desk accessory, or a keepsake container depending on size and finish. This adaptability allows creators to test different versions and respond to customer feedback without starting from scratch. Over time, the most popular variations naturally guide the maker toward products that sell best, creating a more stable income stream. Another reason small wood projects are ideal for income generation is their compatibility with modern selling platforms. Online marketplaces, social media pages, and local fairs favor items that are easy to display and explain. A small wooden product can be photographed clearly, packaged easily, and shipped at low cost. This reduces risk and allows even beginners to enter the market with confidence. Customers browsing online often prefer items that look simple, functional, and authentic, which plays directly into the strengths of handcrafted wooden goods. From a skill development perspective, working on small projects allows gradual growth without pressure. Each project improves measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing skills. Mistakes become learning opportunities rather than expensive losses. As skills improve, makers can increase quality, refine details, and experiment with better designs. This steady improvement not only increases product value but also builds confidence, which is essential for long-term success in any craft-based business. Reliability in income also comes from understanding customer needs. Small wood crafts succeed when they respond to real problems, such as cluttered desks, limited storage space, or the desire for natural home decor. Simple wood craft projects prove that income does not have to be complicated to be meaningful. When designs are practical, production is manageable, and quality is consistent, small projects can generate steady returns over time. Reliability grows from understanding your materials, respecting your process, and responding to real needs. Every small item you create is more than just a product, it is a building block. Over time, these blocks form a foundation of skill, reputation, and confidence. With patience and focus, simple wood crafts can support not only financial goals but also a sense of purpose and pride in what you make. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.